making Primogems, since we all need an extra hand in this economy. Shush, Guava! You'll need 240 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. Make sure to soften the butter before mixing it. You'll want to beat it until it has a creamy texture. Then add a pinch of salt and 130 grams of caster sugar. Combine the two ingredients with the mixer, add in 2 egg yolks, and then turn on the mixer again. Guava, no! Never mind him. Anyways, you'll need 250 grams of plain all-purpose flour. Add the flour in parts as you mix so that you're able to incorporate it smoothly. Guava, gather the pieces of your dough and mold it into one big lump. This process can be quite messy and long, but whatever you do, don't flour your hands more than necessary. Otherwise, this will dry out the dough. Separate it into 2 chunks and roll them into a cylindrical shape. Cling wrap it and let it chill in your fridge for 2 hours minimum. This helps the cookies retain its shape so that when you bake it, it doesn't expand too much. Once it's hard... Guava! Anyway, flatten it with a rolling pin until it's around 1 centimeter thick. That's it, Guava! That cheeky little... Continuing on. Use your cookie cutter to stamp the cookies and lay them out on your baking paper with around 2 to 3 centimeter gap between each of them. Try not to make your cookies too thick or else it will be too dry for your mouth. Preheat your oven and bake it at 175 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 15 minutes. A great way to tell is when the edges of your cookies have turned golden brown. On to icing now. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1.5 teaspoons of water or milk to 1 cup of caster sugar. Measurements don't have to be exact for this one, but do be careful with how much water you add. Whisk the mixture together and pour it into a plastic bag for piping. Oh, you're back? If you look at the Primogems, you'll notice the tips are a yellow-pink color, whilst the rest of it is blue. I made pink and blue variants of the icing to make it more accurate and then used a toothpick and some extra food coloring to get that marble gradient effect. Finish it off by outlining the shape of the Primogem in white icing and we're all done. Whoa, but you're so rude! Alrighty everyone, enjoy your Primogems and good luck on your wishes!